So our next question we have 64 raised to power x is equals under root 16 under root 8. So its solution is, okay, so firstly we can also write 64 in terms of 2. How we can write it? As we know that 2 raised to power 6 is 64. Okay, so its whole power will be x here is equals this 16. Okay, we can also write under root as 1 by 2. Okay, so here we can also write this under root as 1 by 2 into 8. Its whole power will be 1 over 2 and its whole power will be 1 by 2 again. Okay, so in the next step what we get is it's a 2 raised to power 6x is equals, we can also write 16 in terms of 2. How we can write it? It's as we know that 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Its a whole power will be 1 by 2. Okay, here it is. It's a 1 by 2 here into 1 by 2. What we get? Into 8. Its whole power will be 1 by 4 here. Okay, in the next step what we get is it's a 2 raised to power 6x is equals, here 4 into 1 by 2, it will become 2 2s are 4. It's a 2 whole square into 8 raised to power 1 by 4. So we can also write 8 in terms of 2. How we can write it? This will become same here. Okay, it's a 2 whole square and we can also write 8 in terms of 2. 2 raised to power 3 will be 8 here. Okay, its whole power will be 1 by 4. So in the next step here, as the base is same, we can add up these powers. Okay, so 2 raised to power 6x is equals, as the base is same, we can add up this one. Okay, 2 plus it's a 3 by 4 here. So in the next step, as this one is same, we can equate this one. Okay, 6x is equal 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so 6x is equal, we can take the LCM now. 4 is the LCM, 4 2s are 8 plus 3. So 6x is equals, here it is 11 by 4. So finally we get x is equals 11 by 4 into 1 over 6 here. So finally we get x is equal 11 by 24 is our final answer. That is this one. Thanks for watching.